In light of the recent pandemic, the economic landscape has taken a monumental shift towards the world of machine learning and business intelligence. Adapting to the drastic economic change, more and more companies are seeing the value of data-driven business strategies, and this has opened up an abundance of job opportunities, especially in the area of data intelligence. At the epicenter of the in-demand job roles is the data analyst. Data analysis consists of either finding a business solution for a current problem or aiding in making predictive business decisions via the input of variable data sources, which are transformed and analyzed to extract accurate answers. With the aid of analytical tools, the person who accumulates, processes, and performs analysis of data is referred to as a data analyst. He or she is required to present data in a simple visual format in order to help organizations and companies understand how to make better business decisions. If you're looking to equip yourself with the ability to be a data analyst, here are some of the criteria. Numerical and mathematical skills. As data analysis is heavily number-oriented, mathematics skills are very important. One should be good at calculations, be able to measure and analyze data, have the ability to organize information, know how to schedule and do budgeting. Thinking and analytical skills. These skills include assembling, sorting, and analyzing all kinds of raw data from multiple perspectives. Analytical skills help in viewing a challenge from different angles of a determined business problem. Computer and technical skills. General computer and technical skills are very important in the domain of digital data analysis. Knowledge of statistics, together with programming languages like Python or MATLAB, are favorable assets to have as a data analyst. Business intelligence is a rapidly growing field, and the demand for skilled data analysts is increasing in every industry. If you have what it takes, it is the perfect moment to capitalize on a much needed skill set. Click the subscribe button for more on business intelligence, data analytics, and the know-how in the world of machine learning.